Tine Maswati Siyanemudela nonge Tine Maswati Ngenfokoto neluthambo
Indzawo yakaManzini liyayedwa ngekuthi yi-Bremer Stop. Kwakuyindzawo lapho khona abantu bebavame ukufikela khona bengce nabaphithitela kulo olive lakangwane. Albert Bremer, being one of the first businessmen that we had in the Kingdom of Swaziland back in his time, wenda siqiniseko sokuthi kuba nendzawo lapho khona abantu batawufika batawuvakasha kube indzawo yabo yokuphumula baphindze futhi bangcebeleke. Ngikhuluma ngayo the George Hotel lokuli hotela mbukeli lelinemlandvo kokuthi libe lapha eveni lakangwane for 70 years. Thina sithi siguba 50-50, the George Hotel yona ithi 70. Mbukeli ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu sikhuthata kwekuthi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe yathi live lakho kabanti kungako iSwaziland Tourism Authority hambisana nathi ekukhombiseni itinvo noma kumbe tindzawo letinhle letinemlandvo futhi kuleli. Namhlanje mbukeli sibuketa yona the George Hotel lokuyindzawo lapho khona abantu bafike baphumule khona kanzi ke ngilelodwa lehotela lelikhona lapha kaManzini. Asesicocisane nebantu bakuleli khaya sitawuva ukuthi iGeorge Hotel yona ihamba njani. Sawona sisi kunjani? Ngiyaphila. Ngitawufuna Miss Motsa, who is your MD?
Yes.
Or Sabelo.
Yes. Okay, ngicela ukutholela Miss Motsa ukuthi ukhona yini.
My name is Doby Motsa. I am currently employed at the George Hotel in Manzini as the general manager of the hotel. The George Hotel, which was previously Tams George Hotel, was bought by Mr. Motsa in 2010, and it became the George Hotel. I joined the hotel in 2010, so I've been with the hotel for the past 8 years now. We pride ourselves for being the only hotel in Manzini. We cater to both the international and the local market. The hotel boasts of 111 rooms, 5 conference areas, the biggest one holding 500 people. We have 3 restaurants in the hotel, a coffee shop, a health spa as well. In 2013, we embarked on a project to extend our conference room to the capacity of 500 pax, and then we launched that. In 2014, we then decided to add 60 more rooms to our hotel, bringing our number to 111. We then have been doing soft refurbishments over the years. We have added a laundry to our facility, which employed a number of people. Our conference rooms, also the extension of the conference rooms, also allowed us to employ a number of people, as well as the extension of our rooms. We have tour groups coming to stay at the hotel for 2 or 3 nights, who enjoy visiting the scenic areas of Swaziland, but more specifically, they love to tour the city of Manzini. We also have our chef who caters to international cuisine and caters to their international palate. We are proud to also be building a casino currently, which we hope to launch in 2019. George Hotel took on the slogan at its inception, just previously from buying from Tam. We adopted that slogan and we ran with it because we felt we wanted to incorporate the Swazi nation and to make them feel that this place was home for them. So in so doing, we have a lot of local dishes. We then started to have little events like Kudliwa Kwenhloko by the pool area, which was the first of its kind. and just to try and draw the locals, just to make them feel that it's a place that they too can visit, allowing them to realize that it's also quite affordable, and it is a place that they can come in and just have a meeting or a drink after work. We also have our signature dish, which is umqwembe, which a lot of the locals enjoy. We have had numerous events at the hotel, from pool parties, Hawaiian themed parties. We've had a number of DJs coming to play at the hotel. We always have Easter functions, which we incorporate with the children. When schools are closed, we have functions for the children. They come and enjoy the hotel and the facility. George Hotel iyadiqhenya nge-growth. We are constantly wanting to grow and be innovative and do different things yearly. So just after the launch of Yoruba, we are now currently busy with the casino, which we hope will be opened in 2018. We have worked quite extensively. The building has much progressed, and we look to start training just before the end of the year for the people that we look to employ there. We have tried to incorporate a lot of Swazi in it. It will definitely not be the same or a familiar casino that you've seen, but it'll really be something that the Swazis will appreciate, because we've taken time to incorporate a lot of things that include Swazis in it. The George Hotel, solo libambe liphupho lengwenyama le 2022. We strive every day to try and push and grow so that we are able to reach that level by the time the King's vision comes to pass. And also doing that, we consider the 50th celebration, which we have decided to make our year for both the local as well as the international year for big things at the hotel in celebrating. We will embark on a cultural month where we will be selling traditional foods and teaching our tourists about Swaziland, about our dishes, about a song and dance. In Swaziland, we'll have a lot of performances during the stays of the tourists. When they are here visiting the hotel, we'll have a lot of choral, just in a bid to educate them more about Swaziland and about the nation and about the country and how peaceful it is and how loving the people are. We want to keep Manzini clean and safe for the locals as well as the internationals, and we've also partnered with the municipality to be able to work hand in hand with them to achieve the 2022, as well as the 50th celebration.
Ngibingelele uMaswati Lamahleli, igama lami nginkosi Ngiphile Maseko, ngimsupervisor wase-Yoruba Lounge. Kusho ukuthi ngala e-lounge abantu bayeta bayangcebeleka badlela khona. Abanye bayahlala ngaphandle nabafuna ukuhlala ngaphandle. Bese siba nebhoma that side, sifaka ipontshi umuntu uyahlala nakhona badle imicwembe. Bese kuthi ngalana sinelibhara lefu. Abafuna kunathela ngekhathi bayanatha ama-drinks, labanye badlala ipool lapha e-pool side. Ngema-Thursdays siba ne-karaoke, sibe na Sabelo Mthethwa nguye lo i-hostako ukuthi ngema-Fridays and Saturdays siba nabo-DJ babangala nalingani lidulu bagibele e-stage. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ngidonibona nani emalangeni latako, sivula nga-6 ekuseni sivale nga-3 ekuseni. Siyabonga.
Sabelo, cositshele nje kafishane ngemlandvo noma kumbe kabandanyana ngemlandvo we-George Hotel ukuthi iqala njani, isungulwa ngubani, ngamuphi umnyaka, and with what purpose?
I think the best place to start would be the history of hoteling in Swaziland. according to a bit of history that I've been privileged to access, the history of hoteling dates back to the 1800s, during the time of Albert Bremer and a few other entrepreneurs that brought on a hotel and a few other shops within Manzini, then known as Bremer Store, named after Albert Bremer, of course. So in essence, that sort of gave birth to the idea of hospitality in Swaziland. I think obviously there were other spaces as well, but for us as Manzini and George people, we appreciate that. The George in itself sort of dates back to about 1978, which is a long time ago. So it's been around for quite a bit, and it along with it, because as you tell from the name, it's a British sort of structure or British entity. It brought with it a few Western developments. It brought hospitality from a different perspective from the Western space. It brought with it developments. It was a stopover for a lot of trade people that traveled and did business within the Southern African region. So this is a space where they got to feel comfort, to be refreshed, and also to be about their business. But so that's really as far back as I can go. Bits of info that we're still collecting, but really that is hoteling in Manzini, in Swaziland.
Now, for the past 40 years, ungasithi nje halamisi kancane ukuthi iGeorge yenza kuphi iqala njani?
George Hotel has, fortunate enough, gone through the hands of a couple of Swazi businessmen. Bloza, I unfortunately don't know his government name, but I know one Bloza owned the hotel. I know Doby Dlamini, astute businessman who's late now. He also owned the hotel. And Tam Dupont, he also had ownership of the hotel. Now, over those years, we've seen a lot of improvements. We've seen hospitality being taken down to the local. Remember, a long time ago, it was for those that traveled, but now, all of a sudden, Swazis, the indigenous people, the natives, could now enjoy the things that were meant for those that are well off or have money, per se. So I think over those past number of years, that's the sort of changes we've seen. There's obviously history that I'm not privy to as well, but since I was a little child, I also used to come to the George with my parents, and I've seen it grow and develop over the years. 2010, Moses Motsa took over, and with it, with that takeover came a lot of other developments, rooming, additions, conferencing, so many other different things that made it more accessible, not only to tourists, but also to local business, to local politicians. And by politicians, I mean people are able to host meetings and have conferences and continue to work on developing the country within our space.
Sekumnyaka wa 50-50 Sabelo. We see people having plans, and of course, so many things have contributed to the 50 years. Lesikuye lesemkupako this year. George, inama plan manje. What are we looking forward to?
Sure. So our payoff line is the best place to stay in Swaziland. And obviously, if you take note of it, it's not stagnant. It's always a challenge. So even with 50-50 celebrations coming up, the challenge is for us to provide the best entertainment, the best accommodation, the best in cuisine for those people that come into Manzini. Remember, a lot of people will come into Manzini at this time for business purposes, to celebrate with the king. We want to provide them with the best at that time and in that point. And in essence, by doing that, we'll be celebrating and with the country, celebrating with His Majesty this milestone. Hospitality has a lot of changes internationally. Innovations regards the operations of the hotels. So those are the things that we're looking for. Certain things become automated. Not that we take away jobs from people, but we make jobs easier so that they can in turn deliver the service much better. So that's that innovation and technology being incorporated into the hotel. The GM spoke of the casino. That's also that sort of space. The casino that's coming in will obviously bring more technologically advanced machinery and things like that. But also we want to see better staff, better skilled staff. We want to see the city in general becoming better developed, better entertained, better accommodated. In essence, we want to become part of this vision of becoming first world. And with first world, obviously, comes so many benefits for us as well.
Sanibonani, ligama lami Banele Dlamini, the head barman wase-George Hotel. Indzawo lesikiyo sise-pool bar. Njengoba sathi ukuthi i-pool bar inemabhara i-George inemabhara lang-4. Kune-pool bar, kune-reception bar, kune-Yoruba lounge. So lokho sikumcoka lesikwenza la e-pool bar kakhulu nama-cocktails. That's the difference between lalamanye amabhara and the pool bar. So yona specialize kakhulu kuma-cocktails, and not only oma-cocktails, we do have spirits as well, nema-ciders nabo beer. So kwanyalo sitawenda i-cocktail i-Cosmopolitan. Siphinze sende i-George Punch, lokuyona cocktail yala khaya, which you cannot find in any of the bars outside the George. So nyalo ngidawucala nge-Cosmopolitan. Siyibuka ukuthi siyenda kanjani. Ifaka Smirnoff vodka, ifake i-triple sec, i-grenadine ne-lime cordial. Grenadine syrup. It gives the cocktail the red color. Then kuthela nyalo i-lime cordial. Lehlanganisa onke lama flavors because kune-Smirnoff vodka, kune-triple sec. Nyalo ngidawuthela i-cranberry juice. Lokhu ngiyona mix yale cocktail. I-garnish ke kufuna i-correspond ne-cocktail. So if the cocktail is red, and then the garnish has to be red as well. The George Punch, sitawucala ngalo kuyi-garnisha. Sifake a little bit of apples inside, just to make it that punch appearance, because the cocktail has to be more like sexy. That's what most of the ladies always say. So ifaka i-Malibu, which is a coconut rum. Iphinze ifake i-Acha snaps, which is a peach liqueur, and then a cranberry juice. There we go. That's the George Punch. So when you make the blue bayou, it's the orange liqueur, it's blue curacao. So basically in this cocktail, this is the main ingredient as it gives the blue color. The next thing, it's an aperitif, that's Estinzano Bianco. And then lastly, triple sec. And the mix for this cocktail is lemonade. So we are topapa up to the glass ring.
Sanibonani bekunene. Sijabulile Lukhele. Front office manager wase the George Hotel. Nginana iroom yami lengithanda ukunilayela yona, lengithanda kakhulu. And le room lena ngithandzela kwekuthi mawuvakashele yona uyakhona kwekuthi bamphana bakho bangalala kuleli side, wena ulale kuleli linye liside. I-rate yayo le room yami ithi 2,841. Kuba abantu labangu-4, kufaka ne-breakfast yalabantu labangu-4. Kuleli kamelo lengena kilo nyalo, ngilo lelilala abantu labadzala boba benamake. Sibabekela nathi timfo letimnanzi boba benamake ngoba le ndlu ihamba nako lokumnanzi lesibekela ukuthi boba bebatichaze, bese babukela television wethu, bese sekuba nalaba khona ukuthi sebangena bayatigeza. Lena indzawo yami yalaba bagezela khona bomake nababe. Ngiyithanda kakhulu lendlu lena ngalowe ukuthi mawungathandi kuba sebhavini njengoba nalo ulibona lingaka nje uyagicika. Uyakhona ukuthi bese awusebenzisi lona uhambe uyoshawa, ngineshawa ngala. So kukuwe ukuthi ukhetha kuphi. So nginga-advise nje eMaswati ukuthi ayadi i-The George Hotel ikaManzini and ngilona hotela leli kaManzini sina 110 wetindlu. Ngawa-advise eMaswati ukuthi alisebenzise kakhulu leli hotela leMaswati kwatise ukuthi nemnikati walo leSwati babe Moses Motsa.
Sanibonani babukela emakhaya. Igama lami ngisiyabonga Mashinini Siyabonga. Ngisebenza eGeorge ngisuchef. Farmers salad lokufulisha under ma starters, company ma starters. If usafuna kwendulela sisu sakho, uyathi uthi khona utawuqalela ngakho, satawubuya uhamba uye bomen cause uye bo dessert. Ungakona umuntu awuqala ngale salad yami, if utawuthanda ukudla lokulight. Farmers salad ifaka bo feta cheese, ifaka bo beef, ifaka ma olives, ihamba ne dressing yakhona. Sine soup yethu. Nako konke kuhamba ku-starter nako konke. Isuphu yami namuhla cream of asparagus soup with a dash of peas soup and a dash of amarula. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyona emnanzi kakhulu kunawo onke emasuphu lakhona. Namlenga ngawatesta ngicabanga ukuthi wonke angayita toyi-trya le soup. Utawubona amaqiniso akhona kulokho ngikushoko lokuthi emnanzi kanganani. Sisiya ku main course. I-main course isine grilled salmon fish. Ama-salmon ethu cishe ehlukene kabili, sine-smoked, sinale-grilliwe. But mina manje ndawukhuluma nge-main course, because le smoked sihamba ize ama-starters. Mina ndawukhuluma nge-grilled manje, grilled salmon fish. Cishe ifish lo ngiyona icishe idleka kunato tonke timfish lo ngasicishe tikhona. Imnanzi ithambile. Sigrilla ngema-spices ethu, loko secret TGH, secret spice for the fish. Lokwenda ukuthi kube ngiyona le hamba igcine imnanzi kakhulu. Ihamba nema-sauces ethu ayihambi yona yodwa. Sifake lemon butter sauce, ihambe with a garlic and peri sauce. Kuya ngalo client wethu ukuthi uyifunela ukuthi ihambe nani yona. It's accompanied by the lemon wedge, because yonke imfish yethu ihamba ne lemon wedge. Leta khona ukuthi usqueeze na udla le fish yakho. Ama-stashes ethu for le fish kuya ngalo client ukuthi utawufuna yipi yena. Ngendeka ufune i-rice, ngendeka ufune izambane lelibilisiwe, ngendeka ufune ligrilliwe, ngendeka futhi ufune ne-mashed potato, ngendeka ufune nema-french fries. So accommodate wonke lokhona for lama-stashes akhe ukuthi nake nala prefera ukuthi kuyamlungela angakhona ukuthi akudle. Sine famous mqwembe wethu. We've got our own style esiyiserva ngayo thina. That's why ukhona ukuthi usehlulekise ngalokho kwethu esinawo. So useva njengoba unjalo asifaka isosi kumbe sesingayifaka siyifake eceleni. Lokufaka ikhasi labo peri sauce bethu, mushroom sauce bethu. Uyahamba ne-side salad eceleni kwakhona. Uhambe nabo chakalaka. Kuya ngalo client lo lata cela yena ukuthi ngikuphi la kucelako. Side salad yami le ngiyole peri sauce yami le ngikhuluma ngayo. Uhamba nelipalish umcwembe wethu. Njengoba nobona nje umuhle so. Wonke angayithatha uzama awubone ukuthi wenta njani. Njengoba mina ngingwathi ngesiciniseko sawo ukuthi ayi noma kanjani utawuhleka wethu awujabule kulomcwembe wethu. Siyebe ne-seafood platter yethu. Ngiyo nje lomengemengo lobonako lobu. Ifake ama-prawns, ifake ama-mussels, ifake ama-calamari, ifake i-can clip la kule seafood. Lotafike ukuthola na uthenga le seafood yethu. Bese ihamba nema-veg. Lawo la available ama-veg ngona lofika kwathole. Sinaso spinach, sinabo nabo butternut lama-veg ethu. Broccoli bakhona lo lotafike ukuthola abantu available leso sikhathi leso. Ama-stashes akhona kuya ngawe ukuthi maphi wafunako. Ufuna i-rice uyayithola, ufuna izambane uyalithola. Cishe vele wonke uyalunga ukuthi abe accommodated athi vele asekhaya lokho. Sibe nalelenye iplate lethu ipizza. Ngicabanga ukuthi cishe ama-variety ethu ema-pizza cishe maningi kakhulu esinawo ekhathi lelo menu yethu. But kwamanje sitakhuluma nge-meat deluxe. I-meat deluxe cishe ngiyona le cishe ihlanganise cishe Swaziland wonke. Usuke embabane usuka kwalavumisa uyeta uyendlula uyefika uyithola ipizza yakho lemnanzi kakhulu. Ihamba nesosi lo ngiyona i-secret lenike ngihambe ngikutshela ukhashane mlaleli ngicela ukuthi ude utayiva so uyidla ukuthi imnanzi kanjani.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Igama lami ngintengetile Dlamini. Mina ke ngispecialize ku sushi. EGeorge sinato tonke tinhlobo te sushi. Ya lele ntibona le bomahlala mabona kutse bangale eMzansi. Sinabo la kaNgwane. Lana sine California roll, sine rainbow, sine fashion sandwich, sine nigiri prawn. Isushi yakhiwa nge-rice. Rice yakhona uyifaka vinegar. Then ma-fillings kuba kuwe ukuthi ufuna sivame kuba ne-salmon lelehlata ledvume ngakuthi ifish lehlata. Sibe nema-prawns, sibe ne-crab stick. Idliwa wasabi, upelepele wakhona. Bese sekuba ne-pickled ginger, ne-soya sauce. Kusetshenziswa tinzi temashayina since originated le emashayineni. But ke seyikhona naseGeorge. You are most welcome ukuthi utoyi-taster, utshele nalabanye, nite into ngcibeleka, ni-enjoy isushi.
Mbukeli sicoca na Sijabulile, sacoca na Doby, sacoca na Sabelo. Watibonela buhle balendzawo ledvume ngokuthi it is the only hotel lapha edolobheni la Manzini, which means it's the one tourist attraction place. Kanti ke futhi yindzawo mbukeli lapho khona kubanjwa khona imicimbi. Kunengilokwentiwa kwe the George Hotel. Kune spa, kuyadliwa, kuyaphunyulwa, kuyadlalwa. Come and enjoy yourself kulena ndzawo. Nasithi sihalalisela live la kaNgwane ukuthi lina 50 years la gaina indiphethe kanti ke futhi sihalalisele naye umlisa the George Hotel nyenyeti indzawo lapho mbukeli utawufuna kutawungcebeleka khona nawe utikhumbude ukuthi uma khulunywa ngebuhle belive la kaNgwane kukhulunywa ngani. Lokungapheli kuyahlola sasifike khona emaphethelweni elihlelo lakho lethi Buhle Betfu naselangeni lanamhla kanti ke mbukeli ngalawa magama ngufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekufokata lokuhle etinhlalweni takho letilandzelako. iSouthern Tourism Authority ikanye nabo Buhle Betfu ithi hloma Ngwane vuka uvakashe asambeni nisaleni kahle.